Got up a little late today. Normally I wake up at around 5, but hey, today was at 7 a.m. Don't judge me. I was tired last night. I was up until late because I knew today was my day off. So, moving forward, it started perfectly and still getting better. I woke up to Buddy's happy tail thumping and gave him a sleepy, cheerful hello. He jumped up, ears perked, as if he was already planning our day. I whipped up an omelette with juicy tomatoes, melty cheese, then wrapped it in a warm tomato and basil tortilla. The first bite was like a flavor explosion. The tomatoes, the cheese, the fresh basil, the soft tortilla. I took a second bite and just grinned. That's the kind of breakfast that makes you feel good about the day from the start. After breakfast, I brushed my teeth and got dressed. But my hair had other plans. I guess I literally woke up like this. So I threw on a hat, I grabbed Buddy, and we headed straight to the car for a drive. As we drove through here, the road was just extremely bumpy, extremely horrible. I guess they're doing construction on there, so Buddy was watching me like, WTF, bro, bumbaclot. Okay, so maybe he didn't say that, but I think he was thinking it. See, just look at him. He's confused. All these bumps, all these potholes. Why? But why? See, now he's scared. It's okay, buddy. It'll all be over soon, I promise. Only in the Caribbean you actually see chickens crossing the road. Nowhere else. So after a long drive, bumpy roads, and potholes, we finally arrived to Long Bay Beach West End. What an amazing view. Buddy was more trying to figure out who pooped on the beach instead of just running around. As you can see, he was having an amazing time. Beach time is the best time for him, trust me. But for me, The sun was blazing. I could not take it anymore. It was hot. And when I say hot, I don't mean stove hot. I mean hot, hot. Hot to the fact that I just did not want to be there anymore. I mean, yeah, it was nice. It looked amazing. But the heat was killing me, bro. I was dying. The sun is extremely hot. There is absolutely no shade whatsoever. Thank you guys for watching. Me and Buddy are gonna go and try and find some shade. If not, we're gonna go back in the car. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful, but it is hot. See you guys in the next video. Adios.